This is Scrapbook.com and we're at the Reminisce booth looking at a beautiful new line called Storytime, which is all about bedtime stories. Super pretty, so you guys can kind of get a feel for this collection. It's almost reminiscent of like Neverland to me, something like that with Big Ben and the children, sparkly skies, really pretty. So this is the Storytime kit where you get 8 12 by 12 papers, and you get 2 sheets per design and the coordinating sticker sheet, which we'll go ahead and take a look at. This is the coordinating sticker sheet that has lots of different sentiments, little banner triangles, arrows, and then some of the sentiments are really lovely, like once upon a time, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. I love that. Just really nice stickers for any reading layouts you're doing, storytime layouts, bedtime stories, super cute. So I'm going to show you guys a couple pieces of paper from this line. I love this whimsical star and moon one. This line is pretty versatile, so you could really use it for a lot of different events, from going to the circus, a birthday party, any kind of dreamy nighttime thing or fairy tale. It's really pretty. Then another piece of paper that I adore is this cute one of the child pulling the moon. So really whimsical line from Reminisce. And then here's a layout just to give you guys a little bit of inspiration on how you could use this collection of dad reading a story to his little one at night. So super cute. This is Storytime from Reminisce. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!